Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. Today we're going to show you how to invite your friends to join your video live on Facebook. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips. Step 1. First, launch the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Next, tap on the What's on Your Mind section at the top of your feed. This is where you can create a new post. Step 3. Now, select the live video option. This will start setting up your live broadcast. Step 4. Once you're ready, tap on Go Live to begin broadcasting your video in real time. You're now live. Step 5. While you're live, tap the 3 lines at the bottom right corner of the screen to open the options menu. Step 6. Tap the invite icon, which is located at the bottom left corner. This will bring up a list of your friends. Step 7. Now, simply mark the friends you want to invite to join your live video. You can select multiple friends if you'd like. Step 8. Once you've selected your friends, tap Done to send them the invitation. They'll be notified and can join your live broadcast. And that's it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates.